Think of a task you do every week, not the creative part of your job, the part you have done 100 times and will do 100 more. Perhaps you write the same kind of report. Perhaps you read long documents and pull out what matters. Perhaps you answer the same questions for new situations. Every time you start from the beginning. Every time it takes an hour or a day. Today you have an AI assistant. That is a given. You explain your task, it helps you. Then it forgets. The question is the next day. Tomorrow you explain the same issue again. StewAI lets you define the task once as a recipe. You describe the steps, you save it, then you use it today, next month, 10 times in one afternoon. The recipe does not get tired, it does not forget. It gives you and your colleague the same result. But most recipes you will never have to write. Somebody has already had your problem and their recipe is in the marketplace. Take it, use it this afternoon. If it does not quite fit, change one step, not the whole thing. And recipes join together. One recipe sits inside another. Small ones become large ones. Nothing you build is ever used only once. You will say, I don't want another tool. I already have my tools, my copilot, my agent. Good, keep them. Your assistant is very good at understanding what you want right now. It is not good at doing the same thing the same way for a year. Let each do what it is made for. The assistant decides, the recipe delivers. Your agent can even search the marketplace itself, find a recipe that is already proven, and arrive in one step instead of working it out from nothing. Nothing is replaced, something is added underneath. Think what that means when many people do it. Today, 1,000 people and 1,000 agents solve the same problem 1,000 times from scratch, alone. Tomorrow, one solves it and the rest begin where that one finished. And when you take that recipe, you are not hoping. What has worked 1,000 times is not a guess, it is a promise. You do not test it, you trust it. So your assistant no longer looks for the road. The road is already built. It arrives faster because it does not have to find a way. It costs less because nobody pays twice for the same journey. And it is stronger this month than last. Not because the machine grew cleverer, but because someone else did. That is the whole idea. Work that repeats should be defined once. Work defined once is yours, to keep or to give. And every recipe you share becomes a step the next person can stand on. Write it down once. Take what others have proven. Then go where no one has been.